Hi, my name is Erin Struzzieri. I'm an environmental specialist with Manatee County Parks and Natural Resources. About 2 years ago, we were building oyster bars using the bag and mine shell method. And we found ourselves with more shell than labor. So I wanted to get creative with how I got the bags into the water and thought of these eco workouts. I reached out to our fitness and wellness supervisor and we created this program. So just out of curiosity, could I see a show of hands of how many people have built oyster bars? Okay, so so you guys know that it's not a big step to turn it into a workout, right? So the cool thing about these is that it appealed to a wide audience. People that exercise in the preserves, people who work out at the local recreation facility, not our typical volunteers. We even had a 4-H in this particular event, high schoolers, and most ages. So at each event, is about an hour and a half. I'd give a short talk about the benefit of oysters and all that fun stuff. And then we had about a mile jog to the project site. Halfway, run walk. Halfway to the project site, we had an existing oyster bar that had been placed about 12 months prior. So it was really cool. They could walk out and see what was actually going to happen to their work and really get to appreciate what they were doing. So once you get to the project site, you can employ a wide variety of exercises to get the bags from the staging area to the water's edge, and then you just use the twist handoff method to get the bags into the water. So the event, let's see. These are some of the exercises that Mallory and I incorporated. Lunges and farmer's carry are great moving forward. You can get the bags from one place to the other. These people are doing row, squats, all things that you can just hold the bag and get some extra work out of it. So the event is only an hour and a half, and that includes the talk, the jog, and so it's not a lot of time to get the bags into the water, but the people who show up to these obviously want to work hard, and they're just as efficient as a longer normal volunteer event. And I found, here's just some more pictures. See, smiling faces, happy times. I found that the people who exercise regularly in the preserves, the Bradenton Running Club in particular, they really want to give back. They want to repay the preserve for what it was able to give to them, and it helps them feel a connection and sense of pride. So the eco workout philosophy isn't just limited to oyster bar creation. That's just what I've thought of. If anybody has any ideas on how we can turn our work into a workout and get people to do it for us, here's my email address. Thank you.